Hello, Blenders! Good morning! Okay, my daughter is asking me if she can help me to
prepare the breakfast.
Yeah, I will let her to help me, but first we have to use our apron.
Apron, it's almost like April, May.
Since it's weekend, I will let my daughter help me to prepare breakfast because from Monday to Friday, I cannot do that since we do a very quick breakfast for her. And today I want to share you my favorite kitchen helpers that I've been using for a month now, and I got it from the online shop called Joybuy. Joybuy. You can download the app. I have an app from Joybuy, and you can search what you need. Everything in Joybuy you can get. If you need something for a living room, kitchen, anything, appliances, and even if you're a Lebensmittel, what's Lebensmittel lang ga? Even food, clothes, everything that you need, it's all in Joybuy.
Except a house.
Oh yeah, except a house. So yan po. They can offer everything from home wellness, home living, baby, kids, food, beverage, home appliances, beauty, electronics, oh my god, fashion, pet, taste of world, everything, daily essentials, gaming, computing, electronics, beauty, everything is in Joybuy. So this is where I get my kitchen helpers, and I'm gonna show you now the first product that we have that helps me a lot in preparing a very healthy breakfast for Arya is this milk maker. We have the Bear. This is a corn juice. You can make your own juice with this, and soya milk, and rice paste, and milky tea. So this is so great product. Which juice you want to have, Arya?
To make watermelon.
Watermelon, not orange juice? Okay. You can help me by putting the watermelons here.
How many?
It's egal. The fruits are here. Okay, I think it's enough. Yeah?
No.
Okay. And then, we cover it.
We cover.
As choose the juice, since we are making juice, ayan. And then, tama yan? Preset?
Yeah. So start.
Oh! It's starting!
Yeah.
Oh, it's ready. So let's
It's fully
open.
ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Wow, it worked.
let's see. Ooh. Oh la la, it's working. It's the Bear company. Bear brand. Oh, Bear brand.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo eh.
Bear brand. So yan. Ooh.
Taste test. Let's
It's
see.
work.
How's?
You have to drink a lot.
But
Where is the seeds?
It's
That-
already been grind, baby.
Ah, okay. Can drink a lot. O, tingnan nyo, it's really a juice. Ayan. So, it's legit. We have our juice, watermelon juice. You just have to cut tiny the fruits so it will really blend. But it's legit. It really a real juice. Since our juice is ready, thank you so much for this product, the Bear brand. Bear brand. Now we will proceed to our waffle, or we can make also like a toast bread here. Be careful, it's already hot. It's directly hot, super hot already. So you can use this not just only for waffle, but also for bacon, for egg.
it's getting harder and harder.
Our pancake batter is ready. Now we will put here in our sandwich maker. Actually, this is for sandwich, but since Arya loves pancake, waffle, so today we're gonna do a pancake or waffle. So just
Some more?
super easy.
Some more?
No, I think it's enough. We just have to cover it with, okay, some more. A little bit more here on this side. Don't worry because it will scatter later when we close it. So we close it. And then, so we're gonna wait just
A few minutes.
yeah, minutes. Thanks for helping me.
It's already been a while.
Yes, I think it's ready. And then ready to turn it off. Wow, look at that, guys. It's super easy, very easy to do. You just let it for about 2 minutes or 3.
Or 3, something
Yes,
like
and you
that.
have already a very fresh. What is this?
Pancake.
Mama, it's always, it looks like really, really squishy.
So cute.
It looks really squishy, Mama. Is it hot?
Yes, of course. And you can have also like we can put
Then how did you hold it? Look.
some toppings.
Like so. Like Kuya Mama, I'm doing.
Oh, cute. So we are now finished with making juice. You can also do a soya milk and our sandwich maker, pancake maker. So let's go to the dining area. We go to the dining room to prepare our coffee. We're gonna do a matcha latte. So we have a powder ube from Ube Lovers. Thank you so much to Philippine Consulate in Frankfurt. Okay, we're gonna make.
How many spoons?
Oh wait.
How many
We're
spoons?
gonna put 2 spoons.
1 and the last one. 2.
Yeah.
Is it going away? Let me smash it a little bit.
Zupa. Wow. She knows
Like
it already. And then mom gonna make a matcha latte.
How many spoons?
2,
Oh, I still. 1, 2. It's like an ice cream form.
and like that. Very good. Yan. Okay. Both ube powder and matcha powder is ready. Now let's proceed to our milk. So we should put here normally a warm water, but since we will drink it for us, so I want to make it like a very tasteful. So we're gonna put some milk on it. So guys, this is the very exciting part because we have also an ice maker. We also get this from Joy Buy, shopping online. So look at that. Ayan. And here we have our coffee maker. High brew. Ayan. We choose this high brew coffee maker because it can fit to every coffee that we have. So since we're gonna make a latte, we make first the milk. You know, when you are a mom, you have to do all the things in a hurry. So the great thing about high brew coffee maker is they have the different sizes and different coffees that you need. So we have here for the big cups, and we also have here for the Nespresso. It fits here. So I'm gonna choose caramel. Ayan. So we choose the caramel here. This is the Nespresso size. And here, if you want a coffee, natural organic coffee, you can also put here the coffee, and it will also make you a coffee, organic coffee. So now we're gonna make first the big cup for the milk. You can choose here how much the volume of the coffee or water you want. So I'm gonna choose like half a cup. Yeah, here half a cup. This is a full cup actually for the lattes, the last one. Yeah. So the milk is ready. You know what, guys? Actually, I am using this for Arya's cacao, so I don't have to do a lot of things. When you make a hot choco, you know there's a lot of things to do. So I am actually using this for Arya's hot cacao or hot cocoa.
But we don't.
Pour this for our ube and for our matcha.
Should I mix? Okay.
This is how you whisk, yeah.
I can do it.
Not circle, but to the
Yeah. I know, Mama. Let me do it.
Yeah. Now we're gonna put coffee in our latte. So we will just change it. Ayan, that's the great thing of this coffee maker because you can change. We just only need like a 1/4 or maybe 1/3.
Mama, here hurts.
And now we're gonna make our ube latte. This is the great thing about our ice maker. We're gonna put a lot for our ube latte. We badly need ice maker at home because summer is coming. So thanks to this ice maker, the brand is Comfy. The great part is we are now making our hot and cold lattes. I have a coffee, very hot coffee with our matcha. Our matcha is also a bit hot since we put a hot milk on it. And
Should I
it's
stir it?
ready. No, no need. Now my matcha is ready. Wow, so yummy. Mmm. Super yummy matcha, thanks to our kitchen helper. Now let's proceed to ube latte of Arya. This is a mix of ube, organic ube, milk, and that's all. Milk and ube for our ube latte.
Hawakan na yung talikli, baka mag-close yan.
Yeah. And now you can put what you whisked ube. Our lattes is ready thanks to our great helper. Thanks to our kitchen helper. Okay. So, our lattes are ready thanks to our kitchen helper from Joy by Prost, babe. Prost. Good. Whoa. Our breakfast is ready. Thank you so much for my helper, my little kid helper, and of course, to our kitchen helper that helps me a lot, making my daily morning routine easier and enjoyable. We have Bear, we have our sandwich maker, hybrid coffee machine, and comfy ice maker. And of course, thank you to Joy Buy, where you can shop online. Anything that you need is easy. And the great thing, you know what? When I order it today, the product came directly the next day. So it's just a day, one day. Yeah? You remember?
Yeah.
Wow, that's the great thing about Joy Buy, because I think most of the products that they have is already here in Germany. Or if you will order in your country, I think so. The product that they have, they are already available in their country. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please comment down below what you think. And thank you so much for watching.
And please watch more and please subscribe,
Like and share.
Bye. Peace.
Hi! Nag-prepare po tayo ngayon. Nagpe-prepare na po tayo ngayon. Naghintay tayo sa aking pinsan, my cousin, dahil babalik po siya para samahan niya tayo na mag-tour around Helsinki. Kasi hindi pa tayo naka-tour around Helsinki. At wala pa tayong mga pictures. This is our last day dahil bukas po maaga po tayong aalis.
But
And-
tomorrow is our last day.
Yeah, tomorrow we're going back.
Yeah, I know.
But we go...
That's why it's our last day.
Yeah, today is our last day. And, mamaya pong gabi, ay napaka-busy din po ng ating cameraman kasi syempre kailangan niya mag-spend time sa kanyang mga trabaho dahil nga andito nga sila to bond each other. Tapos, kaya nga andito sila dahil po mag-bonding. So, mamaya gabi po may pa-dinner po ang kanilang company. Teka lang Yan. So, mamayang gabi, meron pong pa-dinner ang kanilang company. And sabi ko na, yung suot niya ngayon, dapat iba mamaya kasi pawis na siya kasi marami po siyang, kahit may, outing nila, marami pong pumupunta sa kanya at may mga pinapagawa. And of course, mag-formal din siya, no? Kahit palagi na lang siya naka-t-shirt. Kaya ito yung pullover niya, white. Tapos kanina ko pa siya pinaplansya. First ko palang ni-plansya itong aking pullover. Babalik yung suot ko na. Pero okay lang. Kaya at least yung pants ko hindi siya pabalik-balik. We have a white pants. Tapos pink. Ito yung sinuot ko sa birthday ni Tia. Sabi ko nga sa kanya na magsuot siya nitong pullover kasi formal siya ba? Medyo mag-formal naman siya kasi mag-dinner sila sa ibang island daw. Sasakay sila ng boat. And then, itong steamer na to, sabi ko, nagtanong ako tumawag ko sa reception. Sabi ko, meron ba kayong iron? Kasi, kanina pa ako nag-i-steam. Hindi siya umiinit. So sabi niya, lagyan mo ng tubig. Kasi dito, akala ko dito siya i-open. Ganyan ako na ganyan kanina, hindi talaga. Tapos dito pala sa baba. Maliit lang siya. Pero, ayan. Yan nilagyan ko na ng tubig. Ito pala, ay ginoo ko. Mga 2 hours siguro ako kakaplansya nito. Walang nangyari. So, ganyan. Maganda din yung steamer, no? Ganyan siya, oh. Ang ganda niya. Mas better pa to kaysa plansya. So, konti na naman yung plansyahin natin. Ito na lang dalawang damit. Yung cousin ko pala ay inutusan ko. Sabi ko ba, bago ka pupunta dito, pwede pabili ng napkin. May inutos ako sa kanya kasi may dalaw tayo. Biglang nagdalaw. Kaya pala medyo may init yung ulo natin unang araw dito. Kaya meron tayong menstruation. So, tama lang din kasi si Arya natulog po siya ng mahaba-haba. Kung may ano ba yan siya, may medyo masama yung pakiramdam niya. Kaya tama lang din na late tayo aalis.
So, ayun guys. Natapos din yung trabaho. Sobrang pagod pero sulit. Nakapag-Finland din sa wakas. Kasama tong dalawa.
I thought we're gonna go to the pool.
Yeah, we will look later.
Pinky promised me.
It's cold. I told you. It's so cold.
But
You have to-
Pinky
you have-
promised
Yeah, I
me.
know.
You have to hold
I know.
the water. Okay?
You need to feel the weather outside. Because it's so cold. It's 17. And you want to go to the pool. Gusto niya mag-pool guys. Pero ang lamig kasi. Kaya mukhang hindi siya makakapag-pool. At may ubo pa yung bata. Kawawa naman.
Next week na lang kay mainit.
Okay. That's better.
Next week lang kami, we come back to Germany.
Hindi kayo sasama, be?
Tatlo kami. Tapos may pera ba? Ay, yan ang mga i-offer.
Hindi naman. Ano naman? Bayad naman ng company yun.
Ay, buwag ka. Buwag ka, ulaw-ulaw. Kaya ikaw lang yung may ano doon. Nagbisita.
Be, tatlo yung ano ko, yung bilang ko sa company. Pang-apat yung aniniwan ko. Joke. Cut mo na lang. So
Yung
guys,
iniwan. Mga apat yung iniwan.
aniniwan yung ano, tawag nun? Shadow. Aniniwan yun sa ano, sa
Iniwan ka sa rin.
aniniwan. Buang ka. Tamang hinala na naman siya guys kasi may toyo na naman.
Ako,
Kaya pala nagtutoyo ang adobo. Pati daw yung adobo, B. So, hindi daw sila sasama, guys, kasi mamamasyal sila sa city with pinsan. So, mag-isa tayong pupunta sa restaurant. Sinasabihan ako mag-DJ daw. Anong gagawin ko doon? Di naman sila nagsabi sa akin. But anytime, pwede naman kako basta may wifi. Bahala sila dyan. Pasasayawin na natin na naman yung mga mga kasama natin na nasa early 50s tsaka early 60s. Ay! Ang saya ni Stephanie. O, tingnan. May blooming. Paano yung blooming? Paano yung blooming, B? So, bukas magtutour tayo sa Somenlina Fortress. Sabi nila, boring daw yun. Lalakad ka lang daw dun sa ano. Pero, at least may tour guide. So, uwi na tayo right after nung excursion. Hindi.
Ay, wait lang. Ikwento mo nga, bakit? Kasi maraming nagtatanong, bakit ayaw mo magpakita?
Ano?
Bakit ayaw mo magpakita? Maraming nagtatanong.
Bakit ayaw mo magpakita?
Yeah.
Unang-una sa lahat, mababa kasi yung self-esteem ko eh. Ay, hindi kasi ako sanay sa camera. So, sanay ako, nasa likod lang ng camera, taga-video, taga-picture. So, masaya na kasi ako sa ganun eh. So, I don't expose myself sa front ng camera. Pero, yes, siguro someday, somehow.
Someday, sometime.
Or ano lang, silip-silip lang, konti-konti.
Pwede rin sa mga ganun. Pero, let's see how it goes.
Pero yung i-face mo talaga yung self mo na magsasalita ka sa camera.
Hot seat.
Mama, when is she gonna come?
She's coming now. I can speak with Miss Liza. Because we are,
So, kung hot seat ang tinatanong nila, pwede naman siguro. But hindi pa sa ngayon kay... Kinukuha ko pa yung velo ko. I mean, yung self-confidence ko ba. Hindi kasi ako sanay sa limelight. I live my life simply. Walang walang showbiz. Charis.
wait lang, sa'yo. Hihiya ka.
Ulitin mo. Okay. Yeah, go.
Okay, so yan ang sabi ko ni Mr. Cameraman. Okay na ba sa'yo tawagan kang Mr. Cameraman?
Pwede namang tawagin mo ako sa palayaw ko.
Okay, anong
mahaba
gusto
yung
mo na, kasi medyo mahaba-haba yung cameraman, di ba? Cameraman.
Yeah.
So, anong gusto mo? Itawag sa'yo. Baby?
Ay, pwede naman. Bakit hindi?
Hoy! Buyog. Sige, ano. Cameraman na lang muna, kaya yun naman yung maano mo sa'yo. Sa'yo na. Yun yung nakasanayan nila or yun yung tinatawag nila sa'yo. Cameraman.
Mhm.
Or Ilocano kaya? What if? Ilocano? Di ba Ilocano ka?
Mm.
Gusto mo Ilocano ang itatawag sa'yo?
Hindi, okay lang naman kahit ano.
So ano ba talaga? Cameraman o Ilocano?
Iyan na lang for short.
Iyan.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so yun po ang rason niya. Wala po siyang confidence. Kasi nahihiya siya in front. Physically, confidence, ay self-confidence. Physically or ano? Sa physical niya, nahihiya daw siya sa physical niya.
Marami kasi akong scars sa ano ko,
Sa face
sa
mo.
face ko, kaya yun yung nagpapababa sa self-confidence ko.
Yan, marami siya. Bakit ka nagkaroon ng scars?
Actually, accident, motor.
Yan.
So, yeah. Actually, gusto kong patanggal to dati, pero sabi ko, memories na yun ng life ko eh. So, let it be.
So, kaya, yan po ang rason niya, bakit ayaw masyadong magpakita. Pinapakita ko siya, ano lang, pasilip-silip, pero nahihiya po kasi siya, yung i-focus sa kanya talaga. Wala daw siyang self-confidence. So, hindi na siya nagwapuhan sa sarili niya. Kaya yung mga nag-comment siya na pogi siya or gwapo siya, o yan, nadagdagan yung confidence mo.
Kaya nga eh.
Hoy, alam mo ba, there is no pangit, there's no ugly na ginawa ni God because we are fearfully made. We are
Perfectly.
beautifully and fearfully made. We are made by God. So lahat ng nilikha niya may purpose at beautiful at lahat same. Hindi
May-
fairfully pala, fairfully, diba? Fair tayo lahat. Tama ba?
Equal.
Equal pala, equal.
May mga magaganda physically, pero some of them are hindi maganda yung ugali, pero may mga hindi naman kagandahan or kagwapuhan pero maganda yung ugali. So, equal yung pag-create sa atin ni God.
Yeah. Iba-iba tayo ng ugali, iba-iba yung mga pananaw sa buhay.
Dati naniniwala ako na nagwapo ako kasi sabi yun ng nanay ko eh. Nung bata pa ako yun guys, just to let you know. Sabi sa akin ng nanay ko dati, ay, ang gwapo-gwapo ng anak ko. Ako naman, paniwala ko dati. Medyo, pinagmayabang ko din na gwapo ako eh. Kasi yun nasabi ng nanay ko eh. Pero nung nagkaroon ako ng kapatid na lalaki, sabi niya dun sa kapatid ko, ang pinakamagwapong anak ko sa buong mundo. Ay, sabi ko, hindi na ako gwapo kay, mas gwapo na yung kapatid ko.
So, meron po siyang kapatid na lalaki.
Yes, and mas gwapo siya, inamin ko naman, at mas matangkad sa akin. Singkit. Let's say may hawig sa pagkamistiso. Ako kasi bansot eh. Tapos maitim. Ay, brown pala. Hindi pala maitim.
Dark brown.
Dark brown.
Sabi ni Arya, dark brown.
Kayo manggi, guys.
Dark brown daw si Arya, sabi niya.
Bi, may message ka baka si pinsan na yan,
Okay, tingnan mo. Sana yun.
Andito sa likod. Ako na.
Sige. Sige guys, mamaya na tayo magchikahan, baka pinsan ko na to. Dumating na po yung aking pinsan at sinundo po siya ni cameraman. My cousin is coming there. My cousin is there, the lobby, and our cameraman get my cousin.
Here?
Yes.
I thought we're going to the rooftop.
Rooftop? No, we will not go there. We will go. You said you wanna see outside.
No, I want to swim outside.
We cannot swim, babe. We will look how.
Tito Pinky promised me.
Yeah, he will come with us there, and then you can decide if he can swim or not. Okay? Can you?
Here
sit
hurts
here?
me.
Can I sit here, please?
Here hurts me, Mama. If you could.
Ang bazo? So, ayusin ko lang muna yung buhok niya. Mapapa. Ooh, can you sing for us? Hi.
Para lang sa'yo, nang giling-giling ko. Para lang sa'yo,
Ang giling-giling
ko. Para lang sa'yo, ang giling-giling ko.
Mapapa.
Ooh, mapapa, ooh, la la. Papa, ooh, la la, sa giling mo. Are you doing braids again?
Yes.
Of course, as always, I don't want any more braids.
Why?
Because you're doing already every single day.
Huh?
Yesterday, four yesterday.
So, I wanna
Four
show
yesterday,
to them
four
how I make your
four
hair. Here at the
yesterday.
back, please. Here. Sit here. But at the back. Oh, wait. So, yeah. I'm gonna show them how I make Arya's hair.
And then tie it and then put the pink ribbon there. And put
Yes,
the-
yes, that's my plan.
And you can even when it's already braids from yesterday, then you can take it off.
Yeah.
And then when it's curly, you can tie it and then put the ribbon. That should be
So,
eating of
oh,
this.
they're here.
Hi guys!
Hi.
Gabi na, hindi
They're
pa tapos
here.
yung-
Sumelay. Maganda pala dito. Ngayon pa ako nakapasok.
Hindi ka pa nakapasok.
Mag-try nga dito. Magani mo. Pag anniversary namin, mag-try.
Maganda yun.
Relax
At least, makarelax man kayo
Tabi
ah.
kumain mo na, Bi. Or,
Oo.
Yes,
pero
ma'am.
magulo dyan na kay si Arya naglagay ng chocolate.
Okay lang.
Teka lang, ayusin ko muna yung buhok niya kasa.
Nagtaligsik.
Ay, taligsik.
Oh, lahat kay weather. Perting dag-umad ang hangin.
Oh my God,
Ting
Arya.
tumbling ka, Arya.
How can we go to
Oh,
the...
nagpalit ko sa inyo finished chocolate.
Ay, wow.
Hello?
Ano eh? Ang ano ni?
Wow!
Mama, what?
Oh, my cousin is here.
Mama, we
And
cannot
also
watch.
something for Arya.
Wow!
Loko.
Uy, lalo na nakakuha siya. ano kaya yan yung wish niya?
Look!
Hala! Thank you, oy. Yan yung hinahanap niya.
Ay,
Sushi.
dito na ni makita ano rin. Dito yung sa Tigas nga mall.
Oh.
Dito din ang panitaon. Tatlo nang napasok ko. Kasi, with you, slime. Kasi first time ko bumili. Wala kalaman-laman ng slime na yan.
Kailangan mo nang malaman pag
Wala
bago
ka,
magkaanak.
Sorry, we don't have. Ano sana, pang last na to. Sabi ng, itry mo sa kabila. Pag ano pa, salamat. Ito na siguro yung slime. Nagdala naman ako.
Hala,
Ay,
oy.
ano dito?
Thank you. Ay. Thank you.
Hindi ko mahanap yung card ko, Bi.
Card saan?
Yung may picture.
Wrong timing.
I need help.
Hindi mo alam hihingi ng Pokemon card ko eh.
Okay, Mama.
Ha?
How can we what, Mama?
Yan lang naman yun.
How can we what,
Nawala ko
Mama?
yan siguro sa unang social media.
How can we
Tapos
what?
na yung ano nyo, meeting.
Tapos
Oh,
na.
tapos na sila. Mag-ano
How
na
can
lang.
we what, Mama?
Tapos na. Nakakapagod. Okay. Hindi man ako nagipag-meeting. Nagtrabaho lang ako.
How can we what, Mama?
At sa wakas, natapos na rin.
Hindi ko pa nga nakikita tong regalo nila sa akin eh.
Mama, how can we what?
How can we?
Kaya
How
sama ko
can
natin
we
na
so
umuwi na.
how can we?
Hindi na dyan pa sila. Magkasama kami mamaya papunta dun sa
Are you gonna swim?
swim.
Cold
Tita
down.
says it's too cold.
Oh, you pinky promised.
I know, but I'm thinking about your health, you know?
Ayan, yan ngayon
But
ano
you
sa Finland, oh. Maraming ganyan.
Yan daw.
Pinky promise.
Binigyan din ako na ito ni boss nung nakaraan yung ano, yung may ano pa,
Pwede
pang...
siguro magkape. Ayun ko, para saan yan? Marami akong nakikita niya. Diyan,
Para saan ba yun?
display sila.
Pang, pang masalubong.
No, I never swim.
Kung gusto mo maglagay ng, siguro gusto mo,
Sabaw.
camping ba?
Ay,
Why are we not
pag-brush.
swimming?
Kahit ano.
Never swim.
Uy, panglambot.
Uy, pwede naman.
Si ano, bumuha. Mani si Kanya.
Uy, ano ba? Ito nakakbay ang account. Na ano na hack? Kaya di ba ano mag-ano siya sa collab. Kaya nakonsensya lang ko. Na ano siya, tanan niyang account. Hindi niya ma-open.
But we are gonna
Duha
swim.
man akong gisag sir day kay duha man
Yes,
kinsa
we
na
are.
vlogger. Ablo ka tong ni John.
Yes, we are gonna swim.
Ni
You
John
think you
Marshall.
promised me.
I know,
Oh.
but it's cool.
Ay, oo.
because-
Saan ka
But
na
you're
nato?
not allowed to break.
Nag-vlog ko na
But
siya.
let's
Travel
swim.
yang content sa travel.
Oh, nakakuha ko siya.
Kala ko pinsan, ba't German, nagpunta ka pala dyan sa Germany. May pinsan tayo dyan. Nag-collab ka.
Ay, friend mo sa isa ka Facebook.
Oo.
Kaya ma-open akong isa ka Facebook.
Gwapo po ba yung vlog niya? Wala lang siya pa. Nagsuot naman.
Oh, mga Asian! Nasa labas na po kami. Pero ang dami pong mga... Kanina, maraming pumasok sa hotel na puro naka-ansog. Ano ansog saan?
Madami pa doon.
Yeah?
Mas finish talaga.
Anong,
Kinain ka po.
ano nga ba yung ansog? Tuxedo, ayan. So, meron po mga bus dyan o sa likod natin. Ang dami.
Ano meron dito?
Tapos, may nakasulat na Korean ba siya or Chinese something ano. So, galing po ng Asia. At dito po may mga nagpila.
Mga bata.
Hala.
Mga kabataan.
Oo, anong meron ngayon? Ang dami, oh. Siguro, no, tapos nakaano sila, oh.
Tanong tayo.
Pakitanong daw kung anong meron.
Mga bata, kabataan dito.
Magtanong daw ta. Ay, ako na lang magtanong. Wait lang. Hi, excuse me. May I know what is happening here? Why you're falling in line?
We are going to the gig.
Do? Gig? Concert?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Thanks. Concert. Doon at saka dito. Parang VIP ata dito. Oh.
Sino kayo?
Concert. Gig daw.
Para galing ng Amerika.
Yan nga ako mag-concert mamaya.
Si Taylor Swift.
Baka si si...
Hindi ganito ka liit lang pag si Taylor.
I'm sorry, who is making the band tonight?
Let me show you.
Okay. It's a Finnish or Hollywood?
Finish.
Finnish?
Ah,
Okay.
Finnish band.
It's an artist.
Artist. Okay. Thank you. It's for Gen Z. Thanks. Sus ka.
Sabi ko sa'yo love nga nila ang own nila.
Oh.
No.
Patriotic sila kasi they yung mga na lang. Oo.
Love talaga na sarili nila, no? Sa
Finish na pang Gen Z.
Hindi yan
No?
sila. Akala mo sa ibang bansa?
Oo.
Galing din.
Galing dito, no?
Love their own yan sila.
Oo, pati daw products nila.
Oh, proud na proud yan.
May
Hindi mo
nagpicture
yan,
na
oh.
dyan.
Di na ni mo pwede ipira mo. Dito,
Ay, ito ara ang swimming pool.
init na pas.
Ayan na yung...
Kasi ganun.
Sige daw.
Warm na.
How can we go there? Ayan, may entrance. So, grabe po yung pilahan dyan.
Kasi na ang talaga kung hindi mo na warm. Hindi pwede tugnawa.
O, merong concert doon. Tapos, may gig.
Gusto ko mo try diya.
Sige daw. Dito rin po kami sa may swimming pool kasi Arya.
Guwapo mo kay na sauna eh. Swimming ka diyan.
Ayan pa yung sauna. Hindi siya mapakali kasi sabi niya, yung Pinky promise na magpunta tayo sa pool at magligo ako. O sige, kaya dito po tayo ngayon. Yan po yung pool sa baba. Tapos, malamig ba? 17 degrees lang. Sabi naman ng pinsan ko, hindi siguro masyadong malamig kay hindi naman sila nagkisi-kisi. Ano yung kisi-kisi? Hindi naman sila ganyan ba?
Oh, feeling ko warm yan.
O sige. Paano pagpasok? Ay, dapat may bayad.
O, pero pwede pa na ito i-test ang water bago itong bayad.
Sige daw.
Pwede siguro. Huwag ko biyak ka. Swimming pool is warm.
So yan, sinamahan muna tayo para tingnan natin about sa pool. Ay, pool and sound at taas. Ah, merong ano, magbabayad.
I can hear it.
Happy na sila. Yan guys, akala mo kumakanta na. Hindi.
Akala ko yes, kasi alam
No, 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 no.
Alam no, Saan man yung makanta dyan?
Oh, there.
Hello, grabe kasi na oh.
Alam mo may concert na todo.
Yes, boy.
Nagpapaulan sila ng todo dahil lang yun sa lalaki sa area of
Look, I saw you there.
Nakalimutan kong mag-vlog kanina. Kumain po kami. Meron kaming ribs and burger kay Arya.
Mama, here.
Ay, uy. I the one to hold it. And then yung view namin sa gilid, ayan. May concert dyan. Pinipilahan kanina. At tapos na po kaming kumain, ayan. Hindi si Arya. Gusto na niya umuwi. At meron ding maganda na view dyan o banda. So, kailangan namin umuwi. Yan, ayan po yung concert, oh. Diyan po kami nakaupo kanina. Ayan, pang-sosyalan ni siya dali. Okay, let's go. Go, babe. Oo.
Here?
Yeah. Makabidli ka kasi.
Dami na yung bag, bikilain kayo. Ay, okay na na. Okay na na siya.
Wala pinagayari kayo sa mother.
Okay na na yan.
Pagbantay na kasi. Malagit-lagit ka. Wala na kinabuhi sa mother. Mauna. Ako na yung kitag sa'yo. Hindi na pwede ba magtagal kay. Kay bata.
Oh, it's raining.
Tapos, rain ka ay ito. Tapos maraming dala. Basta nanay. Ulan kayo siya.
Dili ba to? Ang padayon ng kaske. I-video ta kanto dito. Pakita, i-video natin na umulan dito sa Finland. Ito i-video na ulan. Sorry. Sige, sige. Sige, sorry ah.
Look, Mommy, here.
Gauwan sa Finland.
You said I won't hold it now.
I hold in my hand.
What a day. O pa man kadalag pa yung baya.
Now they're close.
Guys, dalaan na siya. Kay mo na ng remembrance.
Pwede ra din eh. Hindi makabayad mami.
Mom, why is there
Ay,
still...
bayaran kung makabayad.
Mama, why is there still people even though it's closed?
The kids is close. They are there to clean up. Bakit maano ka hamapan mo lang?
Adili, okay na sige.
Hindi kay maayaw ko kay para natin i-view oh.
Is that
Oo na.
So,
Ako sa simbahan dito.
There's the cameraman natin. Pumunta sila sa ibang island. Kung sila nag-dinner.
Nagpaibang island talaga no na ang masama pa namang panahon.
Grabing kainan nila. Ay, dito, no?
go here. Here.
Here ba to? Ayan.
Straight lang.
Oh, yan na yung concert oh. Sayang kay ulan.
Giulan nilang concert, guys. Tara.
Sila na ano.
Here.
Grabe katulong kung mag-vlog.
Oh. Ay, pahirapan hindi mo sarili glaan. Na, pwede na mga magtiko ko diya sa hotel.
Oh, napay sauna.
Oh.
Gusto ka mag-sauna?
Ay, di na. Okay ra.
Alin na.
Sunod na lang. Sa Philippines na lang ta sauna kas. Kaya unlimited ang sauna dito.
Sige na, oy, salamat. Tama
Ha?
na.
Tama na ni tarong ba?
Tama na.
Si gamay ra kag kuan ha, maigit.
Uwi na po yung pinsan ko.
Sige, vlog na ko. Uwi na po, magpayong na magbalik. Tapos sundan og security ba sa nay nakatakas.
Nakatakas. Huwag man ka eh.
Hindi daw kasi vlog ako magpatalaw.
Ari, no, tita will go now. Say bye-bye to tita.
Magpayong ko ba, no? Ni ganay nakabutan.
Arya! Stay here.
Okay, duty.
Ano? Bye-bye na to my cousin.
Bye, yakan na.
Bye. Thank you, ha.
Thank you din.
Sa mga
Taga-Finland
taga-Finland dyan, pinsan ko po siya.
Oh.
Yes.
Sige na.
Nice to meet you and
Oh.
enjoy your life.
Salamat yun kayo. Dili na yung data nakita sa Finland. Ay, si yung tagong, ha?
Oh, sa yung tagom kay mag ano pala sila
Si yung
bakasyon.
tagong kas...
Bakasyon sila din. Same sa atin, July.
Nakita na tayo dito sa City Hall. Sa City Hall pag sa
Mga
night
auto-
market. Ay, oo.
Ato siya dito.
Gani.
Lami pikir yung mga street food.
Gani ba? Mag-meet mo si Tommy.
Oh, sige.
Pare-pareha naman sila guys.
Yeah?
Hindi man siya taas. Tama-tama.
Bye-bye ka.
Okay, ka. See you in Tagum.
Yeah, see you. Ciao.
With Tommy and Ian.
Yeah.
Double date tayo. Sa Tagum.
Ano niya? Bye-bye.
Double date yung tana. Oy, ah.
Oo. Puhon. Umalis na po yung aking pinsan. You gonna miss, tita? Yeah? You're crying? How was your swimming?
Okay.
Good? Nag-swimming siya. Mga ano lang, 1 hour. Thank you. We're back to our room. Ayan. Balik ulit tayo dito. Kaya mag-relax. Yung ating hitsura. Ang daming dala.
Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers.